Welcome back to our Facebook and Instagram ads beginners course. And on this particular tutorial, I'll be taking you on a step-by-step process on how to create a Facebook business page via the Facebook app on your mobile device. And also to point out, this particular tutorial is part of a complete course on the Facebook and Instagram ads for beginners. So I'll be leaving a link in the description for you to access the entire course. So to be able to create a Facebook business page, you need to have your Facebook app installed on your device. So to create the page, I'll just click on Facebook. So once I click on Facebook, it opens up my Facebook profile, which is already logged in into this Facebook app. Then I'll click on menu. So once I click on menu, under shortcuts, you can see that there are several other pages and groups that I've already created under this particular profile. But I want to create a brand new Facebook business page. So all I have to do is to look for the place they wrote pages. So I click on pages, and once it loads up, I can see all the pages, like I said before, that I've created under this profile. And then I'll click on create. So once I click on create, Facebook will give me two options to select. So the first option is the personal profile, and the second option is the public page. So if you're trying to create a new Facebook profile, you can go for the first option. But what we're trying to do in this video is to create a new Facebook business page. So I'll be going with the second option, which is the public page option. So I click on that, and then I click on next. So the next thing Facebook is going to ask you for is what is the name of the page. So I'll just put in Bossa Academy as the name of my page. So there are some scenarios where when you put a page name, Facebook will tell you that that particular page name is not available. That is because another business has already claimed that particular name on Facebook. So you just have to make little tweaks on the name so that it will be available for Facebook to use. So yeah, if I click on Bossa Academy and then I click on next, as you can see, that particular name is available. So that's why Facebook didn't prompt me to actually change that name. So the next option I'm going to see is to select category. What category does your business fall into? So I'll just put in education and then select education website. You can see that you can add up to 3 categories for your Facebook business page. So Facebook allows you to select up to 3 categories. The first category that you're selecting will be your primary category, while the other 2 or others that you're selecting will be your secondary category. So for your primary category, that's what is going to show up when people actually view that particular page. When visitors view that particular page, that's what is going to be written under your Facebook page. That's the category that your business falls into. So make sure that the first category that you're selecting is the actual category, business category that your business falls under. So I'll be using education website, then I'll also be using school. Yeah, because we're a school of advertising. Then I'll just click on create. So after I've clicked on create, the next option that Facebook will ask me is to describe my goal. What do I want to achieve with this particular business page? So do I want to promote a product or a service, or do I just want to create content and I want to connect with my fans? So if I'm a celebrity, an influencer, or just a content creator, I don't offer any product or any service. I don't want to promote any product or any service. I'll just go for the create content and connect with fans. But since Bossa also have other areas of business, we also have product or services that we are promoting, I'll just go with promote products and services. Then I'll click on continue. So once I click on continue, Facebook will ask me for further details like my bio, my contact detail, my location, business location. So yeah, I'll take some few minutes to actually fill up these particular details. So I'm done filling up this entire details. So I'm going to select under hours always open. Then I'll just click on next. So once I click on next, the next option that I will see is the option to upload a profile picture and a background image for my Facebook page. So I'll just take a few minutes to select the pictures that I'll be using. So I've selected the pictures that I want to use. Then I'll now click on next. So once I click on next, Facebook is going to prompt me to like invite friends, and I don't want to do that. So I'll just click on next. Then they'll go ahead and give me further suggestions on adding favorites to my Facebook page, which I don't want as of now. I just click on next. Then the next thing is I'm going to check off marketing and promotional emails about my page. Then I'll click on done. So once I click on done, Facebook is creating my Facebook page for me. Yeah, as you can see, I've created a Facebook business page for Bossa Academy. Yeah, I don't want to go on a tour. I'll just close that. So this is how you create a Facebook business page via the Facebook app on your mobile device. And with this particular page, you can start advertising, you can start creating content, you can start posting posts via this particular page. Under here, you can see the option advertise. So in our next video, I'll be taking you on a step-by-step process on how to create your first ad via the ad manager for this particular page that I just created.